Hello, my name's James. And my name's Tony. This is our bird. It's an eagle. We made it to look like it's just coming into land. It's made out of gum strip and wire.
Hi, I'm Lawrence Jennings.
And I'm Simon Hillman.
And this is our hawk in flight. Well, actually, it's coming to land. As you can see, the wings are gliding back. And we made it with gum strip and wire.
Superb bird sculptures there from Hextable School. And that's an art attack using materials that I'd never even considered. Brown paper parcel tape. You know, the type that you have to lick on the back and it tastes absolutely awful. Well, look what I've discovered. If you take one of these thin carrier bags, the type that you get at a supermarket checkout, if you scrunch it up into a sausage shape, a thin shape like that, and then fold it round onto your fist into a loop, and then take some sticky tape just to hold on to it. Wrap the sticky tape around. It's a bit tricky, but persevere. Doesn't matter that that bit's sticking out. And then if you take some of this brown paper parcel tape and you soak it in water, now you can lick it if you want to, but I think it tastes foul. There it is, nice and wet. Doesn't matter if you over soak it. And then you start to wrap it around your loop. There it is, just trapping in the end bits there, threading it around. Can be quite tricky to do. It's lots of fun to do. Very messy as well. It's a good idea to do it on some newspaper. Just keep threading it around there, pulling it nice and tightly. And when you've run out of paper, just tear yourself another strip off and keep going till you've covered the whole loop in 2 or 3 layers. When you've done that, leave it to one side to dry. And the amazing thing is, when it's dry, it goes absolutely rock solid. Then you can put a design on it. Now, I'm going to use some acrylic paint here. It's best to use acrylic paint. You get some acrylic paint maybe from school in the squidgy bottles. I'm just going to slush it on to show you how it works there. Now, you don't have to use paint. You can use some of this coloured paper. I'm just sticking it on with a bit of glue there. You can use both if you like. Now, you know, I never throw away any paper that I get on presents because it's always got this fabulous shiny quality. It doesn't matter if it's covered in glue at this stage. So what you do is just press it all down there. Leave it to one side to completely dry. Now, when it's completely dry, and that's very important, you then just slosh on a load of PVA glue. Again, the school glue. Now, I keep going on about this stuff, you know, but I think it's brilliant. It looks very messy at this stage. Don't worry, because when you've completed your design, let it dry. Covered it in PVA glue. If you leave that to dry overnight, it comes out looking like that. Now, the PVA glue has dried hard with a real shiny finish on. And look at that, a fabulous piece of designer jewellery. It's a bangle that you can put on your wrist. And if you crunch your paper into different shapes and you wrap the paper tape around that, you can create all these pieces of jewellery. And they were all done with less than £1's worth of brown paper parcel tape that I bought from a stationery shop. And you can try other things. Try it yourself. Give yourself a brown paper tape attack. And I'll see you next time.
And so will I. These are great.